Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today we're going to be doing a little video review on this 2018 Ford Focus RS. Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today we're going to be doing a video review on this 2018 Ford Focus RS. But I want to bring in a Ford expert to tell you everything he knows about the Focus RS. So tell us everything you know about this car.
I know very little. It's made in Germany. That's a good point. It's red.
It is red, yeah.
And red was one of the very few colors they did. And they only made it in 1 year, 2018.
That is correct. Final year of the RS. Did come in red, so that is a giveaway that this is an 18.
Also, for the Canadian market, I do know it came with 2 sets of wheels and tires. A winter set and a summer set. And I think it comes with a complete car cover.
Correct.
Now, you can't really use that one in driving, can you?
No. Anything else you want to tell us about this?
Not pretty much. I think he's made in Munich.
Is there anything else you can tell us about the Bronco? You know lots about the Ford Bronco.
Oh, Bronco. Bad car.
Bad car.
Well, that SUV. But I think this is a lot better because it's been made in Germany, not in America. I think there's a lot more quality in the German vehicles. That's all I can tell you. I don't know much more.
Alright, so we're out in the Focus RS, and I'm going to tell you a few things I like about this car, and a few things I don't like. And the first thing I don't like is I actually think these seats are terrible. They are extremely uncomfortable. I find when I'm driving, I'm constantly adjusting it, trying to find like the perfect sweet spot, and it's just not a comfortable seat. Like, I don't know if it's the lumbar or what it actually is, but they're not comfortable. And this is a very common thing that actually quite a few people have said driving the RS as well. So, and I tend to like sporty, aggressive seats, and these seats are not good in the slightest. So the Focus RS is actually powered by a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 350 horsepower and 350 torque, which in a small little hot hatch like this is actually pretty impressive numbers. Like, this thing gets up and goes, and it's all-wheel drive system. It holds the road really, really well, as you can see. And of course, we're on the winters, we're not even on the summers. Another thing that I actually really do like about the RS is it does have several different driving modes. It's got a normal, a sport, a track, and a drift. So when you put this thing in sport and you let off, hopefully you can hear it, it gives you like some cool backfires and pops through all the gears. So I guess it's, I don't know, maybe a little childish, but at the same time, like, kind of cool. I think it adds to the experience of the sportiness of the RS. So that is, I think, one positive, and I think that's something that actually probably sells quite a few of these, is the exhaust note. And obviously the performance, like 350 horse, 350 torque. It's pretty impressive numbers, I'd say. Alright, so one thing I don't like about the RS is I actually think this car is extremely overpriced. Maybe it's a little bit just of the market we're in, but something like this, 2018, with, 50,000 K, so like relatively good mileage, this thing retails for over $50,000, which I think is crazy. I think this thing is worth 30, 35 realistically for what you're buying. You're just getting an all-wheel drive hot hatch. I don't see 50 grand in this thing, especially like it's Ford. You know, it's not, it may be German tuned, but it's really just nothing that special, really. So I think it's overpriced. Exhaust sounds good though. Exhaust sounds really good. I guess you're paying like $20,000 for the pops and crackles.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so another thing I love about the Focus RS is one of its drive modes, which is drift mode, and we've got this big open snowy parking lot, so I think we'll give drift mode a try and see what it's any good. Alright, so I wanted to end this video in the showroom with the factory 19-inch summer wheels on the Focus RS because it does look quite a bit better, and I want to say this is actually, I think, a pretty good looking hot hatch. It's definitely not ugly, and for one of my final things, this is actually a really practical vehicle. You've got full storage capability of a hatchback. You've got, there we go. You've got full back seats, which do fold flat. So you've got tons of storage room. And of course, this thing being a practical all-wheel drive vehicle, I think it's actually a pretty good car. It's just overpriced for what you're actually getting, in my opinion. But very fun, very sporty. And I don't think you'd be disappointed actually owning one as long as you can swallow the purchase price of initially buying it. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video review of some things I like and dislike about the Focus RS. This is coming up for sale, so in our next video, you're going to see our normal showroom walk around, so make sure you stick around for that. And when it is live, I'll link it in the video description below. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.